So hello and welcome everyone. Just last week you saw this IPO, Clean Science and Technology Limited, and you know it's a small company from specialty chemical. We have already provided details about this company last week, but still many people want to discuss about this IPO live. So no need to worry. Here we are with this live update. See this for Clean Service, Clean Science and Technology Limited IPO, we are not going to show you that all PPT like Zomato or many other IPOs. See, I want to keep it simple. Let me just show you what about is this Clean Science and Technology Limited. Right? Agreed, everyone? Okay, let us begin. Okay, so see, many people think by this name that clean science and technology means it should be something about renewable energy. No, my dear friends, it's nothing about renewable energy. This company belongs to specialty chemical, like several other company belongs. Right? We have provided you this detail on 6th July. All right. Let me just go through on this detail what we have filled in about this company. We have discussed about clean IPO companies. About company means what is this company? We have discussed about IPO detail. So today also we will discuss what is detail on IPO, assets and equity, assets, equities and liabilities, financial statements so that we can know what are their sales and profit, and assets, equity and liability so that we can know what are the debt, how the company goes through their debts. Segmental sales we are going to check because in this sector also there are different parameters, right? So we will check from where this company is getting their sales. We will check object of the offer. We will check other industry peer group and conclusion. We'll try to complete this all the things in 15 minutes. Okay, ready? Just a minute. So here we are. See, first of all, about the company. Let us check it. Clean Science and Technology Limited was incorporated in the year 2003. So it's just 17 years old company, not too much old like many specialty chemical companies you can see in the sector. It's a family owned business enterprise. Adhering closely to their vision, they work on developing eco-friendly and sustainable manufacturing process of specialty or which type of chemical? Yeah, not commodity chemical, specialty and fine chemicals. Exporting to many countries across the world. Now this should be eye clear till now that many majority of your companies belonging to specialty chemical are already exporting to world. You know why, right? That pollution wala lafda, right? So with the primary aim of devising novel and clean process for its product, they work extensively in developing better catalyst systems that are selective and cost efficient. Right? Now, they are having manufacturing facilities in Maharashtra that are automated to maintain high level of accuracy and efficiency. Quality control department is equipped with all the required testing facilities to seamlessly analyze incoming in process and finished product, deliver uninterrupted supply to value customers and have customers from Japan to the USA, making a truly global organization. So this is what company says. Huh? Please understand, majority of the specialty chemical companies are already exporting to all these countries because these developed countries don't want to produce chemical due to pollution concerns. We are producing and our companies are getting good benefit of export, right? So not only this company, don't say कि पीयूष भाई ये जो कंपनी है ना क्लीन एनर्जी वाला ये पूरी दुनिया में एक्सपोर्ट करता है. Not only this, majority of the companies turnover are from export. So what is this IPO all about? You can see they are going to list at equity platform. Let me clear it. Yeah, there are two platforms. See, some companies can raise their fund through debt platform also. This company, unlike many other companies, have came with their equity platform. Subscription period was during 7 July to 9 July. तो पीयूष भाई इतना लेट क्यों? See, वैसे भी आप लोग भरते हो, लगता किधर है यार, है कि नहीं? See, real decision you are going to take post IPO. अब IPO खुल गया है, now we are going to decide if the company is good, let us buy. If the company is good, we will add during any type of fall and we will hold it for long term, right? Now there is nothing about पीयूष भाई IPO में लगा है नहीं लगा है, no need to worry. If company is good, majority of the companies which I have bought, I never got these companies in IPO. Many of your Naukri and Jubilant and your DMart, these all companies we have bought post IPO, right? So don't that IPO ही main चीज है. No, company is good, we can go for it, right? What is the offer? They are here with around 1.76 crore shares. Price band is 900. So see, simple है, 900 रुपए में आप लेने वाले हो, right? You are going to buy at 900 rupees. Around 2 crore share गिनो तो देखो 1600 crore रुपया, right? They are going to raise 16 crore rupees from this IPO. Face value would be 10, market loss 16. So you would have invested around 14-15,000 rupees in IPO. अब IPO भूल जाओ. Post IPO Monday के बाद अपन क्या करेंगे? Are we going to add, buy or hold? So let us discuss whether we should add this company post IPO, right? Please remember what was the IPO style. This OFS type of IPO means previous promoter are going to raise this fund. The 1600 crore rupees would not be with company. This 1600 crore rupees are for promoters who have already invested since long time, right? Let us check their assets, equity and liabilities. You can see their assets are increasing by 42% CAGR. See, generally in specialty chemical you will see this thing because yes, this industry is growing, right? It shows they're increasing capex. See, borrowing is low. Here you can see borrowing kitna hai? Nothing. So we can say this is almost debt free company, right? Their assets around 660 crore, equity of only 11 crore, right? Total equity, right? Because this is a profit-making company and they are able to retain their earnings. So their total equity is 540 crore. Borrowings just 33 lakh, and we can say it's a debt-free company, right? Now let us go to the financial statement. See, you can see 19, 20, 21. Here we have 3 years data. In 2019, they were having 400 crore. Last year, they did around 500 crore turnover. So they are growing by 14%. Good, but not good. See, all companies from specialty chemical, you know, they are growing, right? These companies having 14% CAGR, but 500 crore turnover means बहुत छोटा company है. They are very, very, we can say ultra small company. All right. Cost. Their sales have increased by 14%, but they are smart enough. Their cost have increased by only 1%. So that's good management. That is the reason their profit have grown by 42%. All right. They're having very good margin. See, 35, 33, 39%, we can say they are having average margin of around 30%. So it's a good margin. भाई लिस्ट करने के बाद भी मेंटेन करना है ना ये मार्जिन. Okay. Debt paying capacity, which we say generally ICR, is very good, right? Why be good? Because see, already this is a debt-free company. Already their margins are too good. So yeah, it's a debt-free company. EPS is 19. तो आप 900 रुपए देते हो. When you pay 900 to company, you get what? You get this 19 rupees. So you can say that you are getting this company at around 35 का P. It is not cheap. बराबर सस्ता नहीं है. पर स्पेशलिटी केमिकल में आपको सस्ती चीज मिलेगी भी नहीं, बिकॉज दिस इंडस्ट्री इज ग्रोइंग ड्यू टू मेजरली not only domestic consumption, not only international consumption, but that pollution wala concern, right? So It's clear your company is debt free. It's clear your company is growing. This is clear that they are having very good margin. This is clear their debt paying capacity is good. So company में चिंता नहीं है. It's a good company, right? Now let us move further. Let us check their segmental sales. So what is segmental sales? See, we know that this company belong to specialty chemical, but in specialty chemical, they provide their around 70% turnover comes from performance chemicals. All right. And 16% turnover comes from pharmaceutical intermediates. So many people say, Piyush bhai, pharma mein ye, pharma mein wo. जब आप इस कंपनी की बात करते हो ना, डू नॉट टॉक अबाउट फार्मा. व्हाई? डू नॉट टॉक अबाउट एफएमसीजी. वो बोलेंगे that we are providing to FMCG companies, but this is not an FMCG chemical company. Just 12% turnover comes from this segment. So no need to go deep dive. We understand that this company is a performance chemical company, right? Because that 70% turnover comes from there, right? See, major sales come from performance chemical. It includes MEHQ, BHA, and azoxystrobin palmilate. Using in agrochemicals and fertilizers, home and personal care, paints and coating additives, and textile chemicals, right? Majority we will think performance chemicals, agrochemicals में और fertilizer में इनका product ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल होता है. Now, what is the object of the offer? दोस्तों, company will not receive any proceed from the offer. And all proceed will go to selling shareholder. तो प्रमोटरों ने पैसा लगाया था. They did very good work in this company and today they are making money. Yeah. Basis of the offer. On what basis they have said कि 900 रुपया आपको भरना पड़ेगा भाई. Why? Right? So on what basis we are offered? Let us check on what are the basis. Number one. Here there are the listed peers like Vinati Organic. See, Fine Organic भी एक छोटा company है. Many of you have already invested using Fine Organic IPO just a few years back. That was also a good company, a free company, and you all have made money. But see, why we have made money? Because chemical industry have boomed. ये मत कहना मेरा फाइन चला, मेरा विनती चला, मेरा कैमलिन चला. नो, ये आपकी कंपनियां नहीं चली है. ये डिमांड है केमिकल की इंटरनेशनली, जिससे these all companies are getting benefits. So if we compare our Clean Science with other group of companies, you can see here Atul with around 4,000 crore turnover, SRF with 8,000 crore turnover. Now, yes, we can say SRF is having 8,000 crore turnover, but their chemical turnover is not 8,000 crore. वो तो 25% ही है. Navin Fluorine 1,200 crore PI, 5,000 crore turnover. So this should be clear that Clean Science is a very, very small company. आप कह सकती हो इनके पास मोनोपोली है, ये इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में बेच रहे, पर धंधा कितना करते हैं यार, 500 करोड़ का. So be prepared, a very, very small company, right? EPS, we already discussed. Return on net worth is very good, right? 37% is their return on net worth, but please remember this would be ये कम होगा जैसे इक्विटी बढ़ेगा आने वाले टाइम में, अर्निंग इनका बढ़ेगा. बट यस, दे आर हैविंग वेरी गुड रिटर्न ऑन नेटवर्क. नो, कोई इसमें दो राय नहीं है दोस्तों. Here you can see majority of the companies from this industry is having very good return on net worth. क्यों? सब कंपनी अच्छी है क्या? No, केमिकल का टाइम अच्छा है. देखो अभी right now you will see all IT companies are booming. तो आप बोलोगे पीयूष भाई दिस IT is good, that IT is good, सारे सब गुड है. क्यों गुड लग रहा है पता है ना आपको? हाँ, क्यों? Because this is a growing sector, right? तो ऐसा मत बोलना सब अच्छी है. अच्छी कंपनियां, we would be able to such good companies during bad times. During good times all will be good, right? Considering sales, we can say here that BASF is an international company, multinational company, right? And a very old player. Asaraf, good group. Pidilite, Aarti, PI, Atul, these are among the largest player. If we see overall whole specialty chemical industry, even including agrochemical. So these all companies which I have listed here contributes around 50% sales of the listed industry. If we take UPL from agro, तो यार UPL तो राजा आदमी है. They are king of this sector. Very huge turnover of around 30,000 crore, right? तो इनके मुकाबले तो कोई आएगा नहीं धंधे में. तो उसके मुकाबले आप बोलो क्लीन का कितनी तारीफ करो, ये मोनोपोली वो मोनोपोली, फिर धंधा किधर है? राइट. सी, यस आई एक्सेप्ट दैट दे आर हैविंग गुड मोनोपोली, पर उनका निश मार्केट भी वो प्रोडक्ट का इतना ही है, यही उनका मार्केट है. बराबर है. नाउ सी, दिस इज द वर्ल्ड ऑफ होल वर्ल्ड फॉर दिस स्पेशलिटी केमिकल. इधर मैंने आपका एग्रो वाली कंपनी नहीं डाली है, तो इधर यू कैन सी BASF, Pidilite, आरती, अतुल, फ्लोरोकेम. These all are some of the large players. So our company is a very small player in comparison with other peer group like this all. The largest player is which one? Huh? ये सब बड़े खिलाड़ी इस सेक्टर के. Pidilite is among the largest player in market cap. कंसिडरिंग क्वालिटी, अगर मैं क्वालिटी देखूं आपकी कंपनी की क्लीन, तो देखो क्वालिटी में कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. दे आर हैविंग वेरी गुड मार्जिन, दे आर डेप्थ पेइंग कैपेसिटी इज वेरी गुड, मींस दिस कंपनी इज लिक्विड एज वेल एज सोल्वेंसी इज वेरी गुड डेप्थ पेइंग कैपेसिटी, गुड रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी, तो कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. इंडस्ट्री बढ़िया ही है ना, स्पेशलिटी केमिकल इंडस्ट्री इज ग्रोइंग. याद रखना लेकिन इस बात को, रियल इंडस्ट्री इज ग्रोइंग ओनली बाय 5%, but your companies are growing by 10-15%. Why? Due to international market. Again, international market is also not growing by 15%. Their consumption grows by only 3-4%. फिर क्यों अपनी कंपनियों का इतना ग्रोथ है? ये ग्रोथ अचानक है, और ये ग्रोथ को ये मत मानना ये जिंदगी भर चलने वाला है ग्रोथ. कुछ कंट्रीज ने केमिकल बनाना बैन कर दिया है ड्यू टू पॉल्यूशन, एंड दैट इज द रीजन होल डिमांड हैज बीन ट्रांसफर्ड टू इंडिया. सो दैट इज द रीजन रियल जो कंजप्शन है उससे ज्यादा धंधा बढ़ रहा है. राइट. इसीलिए कॉशियसली देखने की हर चीज को. सो ग्लोबल ग्रोथ ईयर आई हैव रिटन जस्ट 5%. राइट. फुल एनालिसिस ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री ईयर वी हैव गिवन. यू कैन सी इन स्पेशलिटी केमिकल, सी बाकी सब कंपनियां केमिकल बनाती है. योर पिडिलाइट क्रिएट्स अ ब्रांड, एंड ब्रांड का एक अलग प्रीमियम होता है. राइट. जैसा आपका मैगी एक ब्रांड है, नेस्ले इज अ ब्रांड. Pidilite is not having a product, or this is not only a chemical company, that's a brand company, right? So their sales could be consistent. कभी कोई कंट्री में प्रॉब्लम हो गया, कोई कंट्री कुछ प्रोड्यूस करने लगा, पिडिलाइट को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा उससे, क्योंकि उनका केमिकल नहीं बिक रहा है, उनका ब्रांड बिक रहा है. राइट. सेल्स वाइज यू कैन सी पिडिलाइट, BASF both are doing very good turnover. Aarti, Atul, Fluoro type companies are also doing good business. Quality wise if we will go, बेस्ट प्रॉफिट मार्जिन में कौन आता है आपका? अल्काइल एमाइन, अतुल, फाइन ऑर्गेनिक, पिडिलाइट, दिस ऑल आर हैविंग वेरी गुड मार्जिन्स. मेघमणि, आरती, सोलार इंडस्ट्री. रिटर्न ऑन पेड अप इक्विटी, अतुल इज वेरी गुड फ्रॉम एग्रो, Pidilite, Alkyl Amine, Fluorochem, Solar, Balaji. These all are good companies. You can compare. Yeah, you can even say that my clean energy also comes in this, with this group. They is also very good quality, right? With depth, which company is having very good debt to equity ratio? Pidilite and Atul, ये दो कंपनियां हैं जिनका डेप्ट टू इक्विटी रेशियो सबसे तगड़ा है. राइट. सो जब हम सॉल्वेंसी की बात करते हैं, डेप्ट टू इक्विटी रेशियो की बात करते हैं, तब आपका पिडिलाइट, अतुल सबसे ऊपर आता है इन सब कंपनियों में. रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी ऑल आर गुड, अल्काइल एमाइन, BASF, फाइन ऑर्गेनिक, पिडिलाइट. तो सबसे बेस्ट कौन है? पिडिलाइट ही है. राइट. लेट मी क्लोज इट. पर आप किसकी बात कर रहे हो? क्लीन IPO, क्लीन. यहाँ पे पैसा डालोगे या सी वेल्थ के लिए नहीं सोच सकते दोस्त, क्योंकि इनका निश मार्केट है, एक छोटा टर्नओवर है, जो एक ग्रोथ है तब तक चलता जाएगा. बराबर है. देखो फाइन में भी पैसा अच्छा बना और कई कंपनियों बना रही है, पर जो वेल्थ क्रिएटर है उनको ब्रांड देखनी चाहिए. बराबर ना. So what is the conclusion? Based in the industry are Pidilite, where 4% weightage of portfolio could be given, as they are not only chemical but chemical with strong brand, high consistency and better margin. If you opt for mid-size company, there is a risk of consistency दोस्तों. risk of consistency of doing of business during challenging times. Hence, if invested in PI, Atul, Aarti or other mid-sized company, weightage should be given to 2%. तो पिडिलाइट में डाल रहे हो पैसा, 4% इन्वेस्ट करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन दीज ऑल कंपनीज, कैन गो विद 2%. पर अगर क्लीन एनर्जी में डालना है, 1% से ज्यादा नहीं डाल सकते दोस्तों. राइट? देखो, बुरा कंपनी नहीं है, मैं बुरा नहीं बोल रहा हूं, पर हकीकत बता रहा हूं आपको. सी, यहाँ पे मैंने आपको पिडिलाइट का पूरा हिस्ट्री बताया है. ये भी एक टाइम पे छोटी थी, 500 करोड़ की थी. राइट? तो 500 करोड़ से आज ये 8,000 करोड़ की टर्नओवर करने लगी. राइट? ड्यू टू देयर ब्रांड. इनका धंधा कभी भी नहीं घटा. जस्ट सी देयर हिस्ट्री, क्या कंसिस्टेंसी है. 20 साल में कितनी बार लॉस किया. दे डिड नेवर डिड लॉस ड्यूरिंग लास्ट 20 इयर्स. ड्यूरिंग लास्ट 20 इयर्स they have given consistently 30% dividend to their investors. और क्या चाहिए यार. तो मेरे पास अगर पिडिलाइट है, I can estimate that in coming 10-20 years also, if I am having this company, I am going to get very good dividend, I am going to get consistent profits. ये प्रश्न बोलो, क्या मैं क्लीन से एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूँ? Here Clean is a small cap company with good fundamentals, I agree. Hence can opt for IPO and we may see good growth in the coming time. But for wealth, should go with industry front runner. Right friends? तो IPO related review अगर आप लोग चाहते हो, you can click to this place here in this link. If you will click, you will get different type of companies. हमने कई कंपनियां वहां पे दी हुई है, पास्ट आईपीओ, आने वाले समय के आईपीओ की कंपनियां. देखो, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल एवरी टाइम आई कैन कम हियर एंड आई कैन गिव. वी आर नॉट यूट्यूबर की जो हर एक कंपनी का आईपीओ की डिटेल आपको दे सकते हैं. नो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, पर हमने डिटेल डाला हुआ है, यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट. राइट? हमारा मेन समय इन्वेस्ट होता है आप लोगों को ट्रेन करने में दोस्तों. सो लेट अस इन्वेस्ट our productive time there. You want IPO of any company, you can click here, you can go to our IPO page, you will get all the details. Right friends? So hope we were able to go through this company. Thank you very much and best of luck to everybody dosto. Jai Hind friends.